back, guys, to a brand new channel. I'm the Purp Addict, and yeah, I'm going to be introducing you guys to a brand new trading strategy. But we are going to be making a whole lot of videos on doing boom and crash trading strategies, live trading, and just helping you guys to grow an account and make profit. So to start it off, do like and subscribe. Comment of what kind of other videos you want to see, because we will be doing live trading for whatever signal I do introduce and show you guys, so that you know that I'm not just doing it, just providing a trading strategy and I'm not using it. I am going to be using it, showing you guys my trades, live trades and results. And yeah, this is the live account. Let me try and get this, real account. And this is how much I have so far. This is one of my mini accounts. So yeah, we're going to be growing this account with the different strategies I'm going to be showing you guys. And first, let's actually go to Boom 1000. Okay. So what are we going to do is I'm going to be introducing a strategy that only involves 3 different things. Okay, so it's simple. 3 different indicators. So let's move this aside so that we can get the indicators on. You just press the F, and then we scroll down all the way to the bottom, and we choose accelerator oscillator. Leave your colors at maybe pink and green, or maybe red and green, whatever makes you happy. And that's placed. Next, we go to the main chart and we add awesome oscillator. Make it 4 pixels so you can see it easily. Same thing again, same colors. Now you can see something's happening. Now, you can trade this just like this, but I would suggest putting a 50 moving average, just because a 50 moving average actually helps you to spot trend. So 50, and make it blue or whatever color, maybe make it light purple, and place. Okay, so let's scroll out to see the bigger picture. What we want is okay, mind the lines are heavier, so we actually want Boom 1000 to be trending down. So what I'm talking about is, see a move like this right over here. This is where we look at it to start trending down. So once that starts, we're going to wait for a spike. So this is now analysis, so that I can show you guys how it works. I'm not only going to be going to the ones that work perfectly, we're going to be going through all. So whatever time your day starts from, we're going to start from maybe about 6 a.m. on the time that's here on the bottom, and the time that's on the bottom there. Okay, so let's go for the first one. So we're waiting for the spike, and there's our spike right here. You could go for the small spike, it's fine, but that's not how the strategy works. What we are waiting for is we're waiting for a beautiful green spike that's right over here. So let's actually draw a rectangle around that. We're waiting for this spike. Once we see this, we're going to be waiting for the awesome oscillator and the accelerator oscillator to be above the 0, 0 line. Okay? Next, we're waiting for the accelerator oscillator, that is the AC, to get a first red one. Once we see that it has its first red one, we know that the trend is starting to come down. Okay? Next, we wait for the awesome oscillator, that's AO, to get one red one. Once we know that both have a red one, we take the next candle for not one candlestick. We're taking it to take a profit of 5 cents. So what I'm saying is, there's our candle, it opens up here. We're taking 5 cents with a minimum lot size of 20-cent lot size, that's minimum. So we can take our profit maybe at about 0.30. Okay, so you get your 5 cents, including the spread. So you manage to get your 5 cents, and your safe zone for taking the trade will be approximately around the 0.40 mark. So that's until you are safe. You take your 5 cents and you're out. Okay, let's look for another example. Yeah, you can see you get the setup right here, but you don't get the awesome oscillator coming above the 0.9, so you don't take the trade. There's another beautiful setup again. Let's get our rectangle out. Okay, now we have the accelerator oscillator above the 0 line and the awesome oscillator above the 0 line. So what we do next is we wait for the first thing, which is accelerator oscillator, to get its first red candle or red stick. Okay, so that's it here. Now we wait for the awesome oscillator to get its first red stick, and it's here. And we enter here and we milk it. Now let's look for another one. Yeah, you can see it happens, but we don't get the awesome oscillator coming into the top, so we don't take that. There's another beautiful example. You can see it's still below the 50 moving average. There's our shoot up. We wait for one red on the accelerator, one red and awesome, and boom, we enter. As you can see, you're getting your 5 cents with your minimum lot size. So if you're increasing your lot size, maybe you're taking it to, I don't know, maybe a $2 lot size. That means you're taking 50 cents per trade. You catch about 20 plus in a day. You approximately make like over $10 with just this one strategy. It may seem like less, but as you grow your account, you can take a bigger lot size, make more profit. Like the reason why I don't suggest holding the trade is because sometimes you can take your profit there. You can see like it comes down, but then there'll be a time where you have the trade, and then once you take your 5 cents, it shoots up, and I've experienced that a lot. So that's why I'm telling you to take a safe way out and just take 5 cents and be out. As you can see, there's another example. It's still in a downtrend, so you can enter on this one. You get 1, 2, and then you wait for red, and you enter. This is starting to get an uptrend because it's above the 50 EMA, so we don't enter. Yeah, we don't enter. And here is why I say wait for the market to start trending downward. As you can see, it shot up, came down, and it shot up again. And this spike breaks this high that's right over here. Let's get our horizontal line out. So the first line, which is here, is lower than this spike. So now you know that the trend is starting to go up and you don't take the trade. Now let's look for another example when it's starting to trend downward. Okay, yeah, it happens, but then it does not form how we want it to form. So we be patient. There's another beautiful example. So right over here it shoots up. You can put your rectangle there if you want to make things clearer. Otherwise you can just enter. There's our first red, another red, and we enter. That's profit. Now let's look for another example. So this is like live, like this is today. And there's another example. Okay, so we get a spike. And then you see that it does not happen above the purple moving average like this one here. This one was here it spiked, and this spiked up again. And as you can see, this part already started to turn, like right over here. You can see this part to this part is like increasing already. When you look at this one, okay, not that one, this one, you don't see any turning happening. You see it start to come back in. That is how you know you can take the trade. Okay, so here it's got the spike. You wait for your first red, second red, and boom, enter. So far I think we have like 5 for 5. So that's like already 25 cents. If you're taking a maybe $2 lot size, you're making, that's like $2.50 profit. $20 lot size, you're already up $25. Even if you're taking a $10 lot size, you'll be up like about $12 in, without, like just staring at the market or giving all of your attention. You just wait for it to spike. Like you just check your phone. Okay, nothing's happening. You leave it aside. Check it again. Okay, it spiked. You wait and you take your trade. That's what I'm saying. You don't need to put a lot of attention. You just know what you're looking for. So let's look for another example. Yeah, you can see it spikes. And you can take it because it's still below. It does not, you don't see your 50 EMA start to turn yet. So you got your first red, there's your spike here. First red, there's your red on the osmosis. Also, you enter and you take your profit. Now you see, again, now one reason why you should never take this trade. Yeah, you might say, okay, it's still in the downtrend, but the main restriction on this part is that on the oscillator, the awesome oscillator, there is no candlestick that is big at the bottom. Like if you go further this side, you see the candlesticks are forming at the bottom, red ones. And here, you don't see any red candlesticks forming at the bottom. So now this is all still part of one single flow. And that is when you don't take the trade. You take the trade on an original flow, like this. It comes up, and that's an original flow. Now that's one thing that a lot of traders, that is where a lot of them lose money, because they just see a trade and they go and enter into it. Like as you can see, if you took this trade and you're looking for your 5 cent, you'd have got the trade. But why would you want to risk it when you can just take the safe trade, make a profit, and be happy? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can take the trade. I'm not stopping you from taking the trade, but it's a matter of precaution. Because if something like this happens again, you don't want to be caught with a spike. Okay, we wait for a trend again, and there's another one, but we don't take it. Okay, actually, that was wrong of me to say you don't take it, because as you can see, there is a small, tiny green one right here. Small green one, which means it's an original flow. So you wait for it to go up. First red, and yeah, it's blank. So you wait for this red one on the bottom of the awesome oscillator, and you enter, take your 5 cents, and run with it. Yeah, you don't enter anything because you can see that it's in upward. The 50 moving average is pointing upward, so you don't take the trade. Now wait for another one. As you can see, there's one happening right now. So we are going to be taking this trade live. So you can see that I'm not just trying to say, okay, trades are happening. Let me wait for the time so that I can enter it. As you can see that this part is in a slight upward motion. Yeah, it is in a slight upward motion, but it is not a lot facing up. So we're going to go in, enter. And if it does stop, if it does hit a loss, you guys get to see it in proper motion. Like, so 32 is around our safe zone. So we're taking 5 cents. So we're going to wait for 5 cents. Okay, 32 is like past 32. We can maybe like 22. Okay. 5 cents. 5 cents in and out. That is a live trade right over there. As you can see, it does turn, but you don't see that it starts to spike and go higher. Over here, where was this one? It was here. You don't take the trade because you see it go a lot up. So now once you see it go a lot up, you'll be suspecting like, okay, this could break and could be into an uptrend. And the main thing that'll give it away is your entry candle. Your entry candle is this one, right? That's your entry candle. So you got your spike, red, red, and you see from this part where it's in a sharp pointy part and you're measuring going up, you see from there that's an uptrend. So you don't want to enter into the trade. But here, when I entered into this trade, entry candle is here. So let's get our line out. I think this was our entry candle. No, it was this one. Okay, so we entered here. So from here to here, it's almost even. So that is one reason why I entered into the trade. Now I want you guys to do the simple thing and like not force the trade to happen. As you can see, that's our 5 cent profit. These are the trades we took for today so far. Most of the trades, this is still my small account. Most of the trades I took on my other live account where I'm making like good enough profit every single day. Yeah, I'm just building this account to show you guys different strategies, build this account with those strategies. And yeah, $8.40 real account. I have to show the real account because, like, you know, some people are going to be like, oh, this guy's showing off with a fake account. No, I don't play with a fake account. Real account all the way. So yeah, this is for Boom 1000. I'll be showing you guys the one for, I don't want you guys to go and try it on any other thing for now except for Boom 1000, because I will be doing more analysis in another video for Boom 1000 with this strategy, with this exact same strategy, so that you know that I'm not lying, I'm not giving you guys a trading strategy just like out of thin air. And I don't want you guys to go and start using it on other pairs like Crash 1000 and Crash 500 and Boom 500, because those ones will have like different confirmations and stuff. So I will be posting other videos coming up on Crash 1000 and Boom 500 and Crash 500, but mainly for Crash 500 coming up with this exact same strategy with the AC and AO, the accelerator oscillator and the awesome oscillator. And yeah, just make your beautiful profits. Do share the pictures. Find my Telegram in the description. Share your pictures. And also join the family. Like, Pubatics, let's go. This is our first video, like showing off it. This is our first video with our strategies, so we're gonna grow. And just like, subscribe, comment on what other things you wanna see. Whether you wanna see more live trading videos, but the live trading videos will take longer because like it takes long for a trade to happen. So yeah, the next video coming up will be more analysis on this strategy. So this is part 1 and part 2 will be coming up most probably tomorrow or the day after, which is Friday. No, Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the strategies and start making profit. And I want you guys to send me your screenshot of y'all making profit with the strategy to my Telegram, so that I know that I'm helping y'all. And yeah, my Telegram will be in the description below. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.